and good day. This is my 4-step cure tip number 20. Drinking water. Simple, right? It's important to drink water for more reasons than you could ever imagine. Water helps you relieve stress. It helps cushion your tissues. It helps you lose weight. It helps your organs function the way that they're supposed to. And this is one of those other tips that I said about making a change. You need to know how much water you need to drink a day and drink it. Try it for a week and see how better you feel. See the benefit that it has, with keeping your body regular, with helping with your skin. Just as simple as that. Drink more water. A lot of the sodas that we drink, the flavored waters, has a lot of sugar, a lot of acids. It takes your body time to break those things down. Water, one of the simple essence of life that we take for granted. In other third world countries, they can't even drink their water. But we have it at our disposal and we don't use it. I challenge you. Drink more water for a week and just see how you feel. And that was my pushing point for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.